It is just COVID-19. This is a very serious issue, and Cabinet is always seized about it. And today, the update which was given, our minister is actually in Tanzania. There's a meeting of SADC ministers so that as a bloc, we can deal with this death-threatening disease. There are no confirmed cases in Zimbabwe as we speak. And what the government is doing is to make sure that we are prepared. Test kits have been procured, and the development partners have also been coming in to help to make sure that we have all the test kits which are required. Now, hospitals have been put on high alert, and all travelers from confirmed cases are being screened at all ports of entry, and they're actually put into self-isolation, which we call self-quarantine. As we speak, right now, 195 travelers are under surveillance. And yes, there was an issue of a Mutare woman who got sick from there, and when she came, she died at arrival at Wilkins on the 24th of January. But when the test for coronavirus were done, she was found negative. And also there's a suspected man who they are also following up on, to just make sure that it is screened completely and make sure that we deal with it exhaustively. And rapid response teams at all airports are being trained, and they're coordinating. Also, there's coordination with nurses and all medical staff to make sure that they can handle the issues of corona. I thank you. Then I move on to the Honorable